Good morning, dear students. Let us start with a new chapter. This is chapter 10th, perimeter and area. What is perimeter? It is the length of the boundary of a closed figure. So whenever we have a closed figure, when we measure all the lengths of that, it is known as the perimeter of that figure. If I want to find what is the perimeter of a rectangle, suppose this is a rectangle having the length L, so opposite side will also be having the same length L, and if this is the breadth B, so this is also the breadth B. Now perimeter of this rectangle will be 2 times L plus 2 times B. So we can write it like this, twice of L plus B. And if I want to find the perimeter of a square, we know square is of this shape having all the sides same. So it will be side plus side plus side plus side. It will be 4 times of side. So we can say perimeter of any regular closed figure will be n into the length of side. Means the number of sides multiplied by how much is the length of the side. Now let us start with exercise 10.1. This is question number 1 from the book. You have to find the perimeter of the rectangle in which the length is 14.8 meter and breadth is 5.5 meters. Now here the length is 14.8 and breadth is 5.5. Let us apply the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. It is twice of L plus B. So substitute the values. It will be 2 into 14.8 plus 5.5. Now 14.8 plus 5.5 is 20.3. Now let us multiply 2 with 20.3. Simply without decimals, just multiply 203 with 2, we are getting 406. Now let us insert the decimal. We have one decimal place here. It means in the answer also we will be inserting decimal by leaving one digit from the right hand side. So it will be 40.6 meters. Perimeter is a length. So it will be having the units meter, centimeter, millimeter like this. Next B part. You have to again find the perimeter. Length is 16 meter 50 centimeter and breadth is 11 meter 25 centimeter. Now length is 16 meter 50 centimeter. Let us convert it into meters. It will be 50 by 100 meter 16.50 meter and breadth is 11 meter 25 by 100 meter. So it will be 11.25 meters. Now perimeter is 2 times of L plus B. Now length is 16.50 and breadth is 11.25. So it will be 2 into 27.75. Adding them. Now multiply 2 and 27.75. Again multiply them simply without decimal. So I am getting 5550. Leaving 2 digits from right hand side here also in the answer. So I am getting the answer 55.50 meters. Second question, find the perimeter of a square having length of each side as 5.6 meters. Now length of each side of square is 5.6 meters. So perimeter is 4 into side. It will be 4 into 5.6. So it is 22.4 meters. Next side of the square is 24.5 centimeters. So perimeter is 4 into side. It is 98.0 centimeter. Third question is, a man takes 2 rounds of a regular pentagon of side 125 meters. Find the distance covered by him. Now pentagon means having 5 sides like this. So each side is 125 meter. So perimeter will be 5 into 125, that is 625 meter. But he has taken 2 rounds. So total distance will be double of this. 2 into 625, 1250 meters. Fourth question is, find the perimeter of a triangle having sides 10 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Now in case of triangle we have 3 sides, so perimeter is sum of all the sides. It will be 10 plus 12 plus 15, that is 37 centimeter. B part, having each side as 14 centimeter. Now all the sides are 14, so perimeter of triangle will be 14 plus 14 plus 14, or you can say 3 times of 14. So it is 42 centimeter. C part, isosceles triangle having equal sides 40 centimeter and third side 20 centimeter. So isosceles having 2 sides same. It means the sides of the triangle are 40, 40 and 20. So the perimeter will be 40 plus 40 plus 20, that is 100 centimeter. Next is question number 5. There is a rectangular lawn 10 meter long and 4 meter wide in front of Meena's house as shown in this figure. It is fenced along the two smaller sides. These are the two smaller sides, 4 meter, and one longer side, leaving a gap of 1 meter for the entrance. So here we have left the gap of 1 meter. Find the length of fencing. Means how much length is required for fencing it. So we will simply add all the sides. It will be 4 plus 4 plus, this was total 10 and leave the gap of 1. So it will be 10 minus 1, that is 9. So the answer will be 17 meter is the length of fencing. Sixth question. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 124 centimeter. Now perimeter of square is 124 centimeter. So the formula for perimeter is 4 into side. It is equal to 124. Now I want to find side. So this 4 will go on the other side like this. So it will be 124 by 4, that is 31 centimeter. Next, seventh question is, a 60 meter long wire can be used to fence a square field, a pentagon field and an equilateral triangular field. Find the length of the side of each field. Now let us have three cases. For a square field, perimeter is 60. So perimeter for a square is 4 into side is 60. So the side of this square will be 60 by 4, that is 15 meters. For a pentagon field, we have the number of sides 5. Hence the perimeter will be 5 into side is equal to 60. So the side will be 60 by 5, that is 12 meters. For an equilateral triangular field, perimeter is 60 meter. Triangular means 3 sides. So we have 3 into side is equal to 60. Hence side will be 60 by 3, that is 20 meter. Eighth question. You have to find the perimeter of the following figures. A part. So adding all the lengths, we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus, now this is 10, out of which we are leaving this. So we are writing 9 here. Then this one and this one. So the total answer will be 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it will be 42 centimeter. Ninth question is, 4 regular hexagons are drawn so as to form this design. If the perimeter of the design is 28, find the length of each side of the hexagon. Now how many sides are there? Firstly we should know. Perimeter is only about the outer boundary. We are not involving with this inner one. So let us firstly calculate the outer sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 sides. So the perimeter is 14 into side is equal to 28. Hence the side of hexagon will be 28 divided by 14, that is 2 centimeter. 10th question. Find the cost of fencing 3 sides of a square garden having side as 25 meter at the rate of rupees 10 per meter. Now we want to find cost of fencing. One side is 25, we want to fence 3 sides. So the sum of 3 sides will be 25 plus 25 plus 25, that is 75 meter. Now cost of fencing for 1 meter is rupee 10. So cost of fencing this 75 meter will be 10 into 75, that is 750 rupee. Hence the cost of fencing this 75 meter, or you can say the 3 sides, is rupees 750. Question number 9th, B to F part is your homework for today. From this part to this part, you have to find the perimeter in this case. Thank you. Have a nice day.